me and her start bang, she tell me that she donate to me, I think. Although we used to do some fuckery still. But at one time, me and her used to work together good. I'm gonna be honest. Me fucking really know if she take the Dana Lorraine, and I have no strength for it. I'm gonna be honest. Take it where you want cuss me, cuss me. Cause me know the truth, And so I'm gonna go back and say, I say, yo, God work away the like. Cause possibly if me didn't know, it wouldn't go so far. Possible. But what for happen, for happen. All about. I can't believe what I say, bro. The white flag, my wave minds. You see me? If you want to continue it now, even after, go that route. From when I look on the history, I am a real look on it, because I'm an honest youth. It's fucked up. Teach me a lesson. But take care of your thing most. Me and I used to work together good. I'm gonna be honest. Me fucking really know if she take me and I used to work together good. I'm gonna be honest. Me fucking really know where the like. Cause possibly if me didn't go so far. Even after. Where you want cuss me. The truth and you know the truth. I say, yo, God work away the like. Cause possibly if me didn't know, it wouldn't go so far. Even after really look on it, because he's an honest youth. It's fucked up. Teach me a lesson. If we are incident to white real. And this is before she said, I'm gonna be honest. Me fucking really know. Me and I used to work together good. I'm gonna be honest. Me fucking really know. And this is before she started fucking still. But I used to work together good. I'm gonna be honest. Me fucking really know. God work away the like. Cause possibly if me didn't go so far. Even after. Where you want cuss me. The truth and you know the truth. And so I'm gonna go back and say, I say, I forgot you with this. I'm gonna tell you no why. It's a shame still. I'm gonna tell you no why. Because the things in life, I'm telling me Lorraine, I forgot you it. Because history is a thing I'm like and it's good for everyone over here. And I always back and forth with the woman over say, yes, though I'm gonna dig up for some mine. I swear as there's a God. Everything I know from scratch. What go on. But I must say this before Dana. Well, if I really alone left Dana. I trust me. So I'm look back at what she said to me when the first time she texted me. And when I see what she used to say to me, and it's honest God I truth. Not in a really read like some of them early texts about Ashanti. I never really know, because I swear, we never even put it together. Right. At some point, when me and I start bang, she tell me that she donate to me, I think. Although we used to do some fuckery still. But at one time, me and I used to work together good. I'm gonna be honest. Me fucking really know if she take fight with you no more, Lorraine. And I have no strength for it. I'm gonna be honest. Take it where you want cuss me. Truth. And so I'm gonna go back and say, I say, yo, God work. Because possibly if me didn't know, it wouldn't go so far. Possible. But what for happen, for happen. All about. I can't believe what I say, bro. The white flag, my wave minds. You see me? If you want to continue it now, even after, go that route. From when I look on the history and I am a real look on it because he's an honest youth. It's fucked up. Teach me a lesson. But take care of your thing, most.